Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English to Flow, where we learn English in a simple and fun way.
Hello, guys. Today is day 4, and today we will focus on only one thing.
Yes, only one situation. Phone call conversation.
Many people feel nervous while talking on phone,
Yes, because we cannot see the other person.
and we think, what should I say?
Don't worry. Today we will make it very easy.
Simple English, real situations, and some fun also.
Let's start. Part 1. Basic phone call start.
First question, how to start a phone call?
Easy. Just say, hello.
Yes, simple and clear.
Then you can say your name.
Like, hello, this is Emma.
Or, hi, this is James speaking.
Very natural.
Simple call example. Hello?
Hi, this is James.
Hi, James.
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am good too.
See? Very easy.
No big grammar, no tension.
Part 2. Asking who is calling.
What if you don't know who is calling?
Good question.
You can say, who is this?
Or, more polite, may I know who is speaking?
That sounds more professional.
Yes, but beginners can use simple one also. Hello? Who is this?
Hi, this is James.
Oh, hi, James.
Done. Easy.
Part 3. Talking to a friend on call.
Now let's talk like friends.
This is the most common situation.
Friend call conversation.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. Just relaxing.
Same here. I am also free.
What are you doing?
I am watching a video.
Nice.
Sometimes I say I am busy.
But actually, you are watching reels.
Haha, yes, secret busy.
That is called fake busy.
Very common habit.
Part 4. When you don't understand.
Now, important part. What if you don't understand?
This happens a lot.
Don't panic.
I always panic.
Stop doing that.
Say, sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat, please? Can you speak slowly?
Very useful. Example. I will come tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Sorry, can you repeat?
I said, I will come tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Okay, got it.
Part 5. Ending a call.
How to end a call.
Don't just cut the call suddenly.
Yes, that is rude.
Simple ending sentences.
Okay, talk to you later.
I will call you later.
Bye. Take care.
Example.
Okay, I have to go now.
No problem. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Part 6. Funny wrong English.
Sometimes people say funny English on phone.
Like what?
Where are you speaking?
Haha, correct is, where are you?
Or, I am coming in phone.
No, say, I am calling you.
English can be funny sometimes.
But mistakes are okay.
Yes, we learn from them.
Part 7. Confidence tips.
Now, some simple tips.
I need tips.
Speak slowly.
Okay,
Use simple words.
good.
Don't try to impress.
Just express.
Perfect.
So today we learned basic phone call English
How to start, talk, and end a call.
and how to handle confusion.
And also some funny mistakes.
Practice daily.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Day 4 phone call practice is going strong.
And more is coming in next part.
Keep learning with English to Flow.
See you in next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.